Hey AI fans, want to create unlimited high-quality images for free? In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing website that makes it possible. No costs, no restrictions, just pure creativity. Let's dive right in. First, head over to piclumen.com and click on Generate for Free. Sign in with your email and you're ready to go. Once inside, you'll notice a gallery of stunning, eye-catching AI art generated by other users. Now, let's create something amazing ourselves. Go to the Create tab and type in your detailed prompt. Next, select an AI model. For this one, I'll use the Flux model, a high-quality option for generating incredible images. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio and the number of images you'd like to generate. Keep in mind that the free version lets you generate up to 2 images at a time. Now hit Generate. After just a few seconds, here are the results. Look at these 2 images. Aren't they stunning? Check out the details we've got. But wait, here's the coolest part. You can easily generate your own images using someone else's prompts. Let me show you how. Go to the Community tab, where you'll find tons of AI-generated art from other users. Find one you like and hit the Remix button. The original prompt appears, and now you can tweak the settings, change the model, aspect ratio, or anything else, and hit Generate. Just like that, your personalized image is ready. And don't forget, downloading your creations is as simple as clicking the download button. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to iTwistic for more amazing AI content. And hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's twist the future with AI together.